Let's bring in our guest for this hour. Standing by, National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar is with us now. Michael, we've got this case where there is a bullet found in the victim's ribs. I think there's a possibility that she could have an interesting defense if she just said that he fell in, and maybe the prosecution says she pushed him. That might be something where there's a lot of reasonable doubt. But how is she going to explain away a bullet?
It's going to be very fascinating. This is going to be the kind of case that a defense team needs about at minimum 6 months to prepare even their arguments. Now, so for example, a defense team is not necessarily required to, for example, bring up an alternate theory for who might have murdered him, right? But something in that arena is needed in this case, because we know that, I mean, what are they going to say? That the adult child that was living on another level of the barn killed him? I mean, this is a 10-acre barn, right? There's nobody who broke in and murdered this man, right? And we know that the bullet being lodged in his ribs is something that the defense team are going to have to contend with. How do they contend with it? And that's your question. It's going to be very interesting. The opening statements in this case are going to be everything. I always say opening statements are the beginning and middle of a movie. People tell me, well, how is that the middle of the movie? The evidence is the middle of the movie. No, the opening statements are the beginning of the movie, because the prosecution, they give you their promises and what they want to prove in the case. And then the defense gives you their alternative theory. Some defense will say in their opening statements,